How to unlock a suspended Microsoft account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily unlock the blocked Microsoft account. So first thing you can do is you can simply sign in with your Microsoft account like this, and the error you'll be getting is probably this. Let me just type in something here. If you're unable to log in with your account, you'll probably see this option, this message, or you'll probably see this message. What you can do is simply head over to this application website, or also simply click on this website like here. From here you can see at the top. And what you can do, if your account has been locked, you can follow the following steps. You can use any phone number to request security code. The phone number doesn't need to be associated with your account. The phone doesn't need to be a smartphone or connected to the internet, but it just needs to be able to receive the text messages. So it will basically ask you to create a new password. As you can see from here, once you are inside your login account, you can simply update your password from here as well, or you can simply reset your password from here as well. So once you do that, you will be able to successfully sign in. And if you are still not able to sign in, you just might need to go on the help section of this Microsoft account on your website by simply clicking on Microsoft help option. So this video was valuable. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.